Million Dots have taught me a lot of things, especially the everything is arranged in a manner so we can understand really very good way.
What do you think about that? Being independent in the age of 18?
Sir, I really thought I should have joined much earlier, sir. 18
Mhm.
is too late.
What change our community made in you as a trader?
Sir, community made us to improve, sir. If we were make any mistake, they would correct us right at that time.
So, hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
So, yeah, tell me yourself, like, how's going things?
It's going good, sir. I'm from July 17th batch, sir.
Okay.
It's almost been 5, 6 months. So
Mhm.
I'm doing good, sir, in trading.
So, what
Million
are
Dots
you?
have taught
Yeah, you can continue.
Million Dots have taught me a lot of things, especially the SMC concept and institutional price action is really great, sir.
Then,
Yes, and everything is arranged in a manner so we can understand really very good way.
okay. So, what are you doing? Are you a student?
Yes, sir. I'm a student, degree first year.
Okay, a degree first year student. So,
Yes, sir.
you are maybe in the age of 17 or 18.
No, sir. 18.
18. So,
Yeah.
from in the age of 18, you are able to make a consistent income from trading, right?
Yes, sir.
So, what do you think about that? Being independent in the age of 18?
Sir, I really thought I should have joined much earlier, sir. 18
Mhm.
is too late.
Okay. Why
18
you
is
are
too
saying
late, sir.
that?
Sir, because if we would have stayed in school itself, we would have joined more early and we would have been more experienced.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, maybe more than that, you guys did a very well, right? So because even in
Yes,
this
sir.
age itself, from your schools or from college time itself, you guys spending time in front of your chart, working hard for that. That's why you are able to
Yes,
make a consistent income from trading. So
yes, sir.
it's all about your credit. With that maybe that ecosystem, our ecosystem maybe
No, sir. It's
played a
really good,
strong
sir.
role, right?
Community. Yes, sir. Absolutely.
So what change our community made in you as a trader?
Sir, community made us to improve, sir. If we were make any mistake, they would correct us right at that time. Like, no, this is wrong. This is how you should do it. It's
Mhm.
really good, sir.
So what do you think in the process of learning? Is that that kind of community is that necessary?
Yes, sir. 100%, sir. Because if you just give us a video and one-on-one also,
Mhm.
because we'll just be one-on-one, we won't know how what others mistake and doing what we should learn from others mistake. So it's really good, sir.
Okay, so you joined in July. After
Yes, sir.
almost 1 month, you just joined in our community. That's how we
Yes,
plan
sir.
arrange things, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
at that time, when you after joining after joining community, you may have something lot of things, like at least you guys completed structures, right? You guys
Yes, sir.
started
Yes.
trading in structures. After that, you joined in our community. So
Yes, sir.
did you feel any kind of insecurity the just you just
No, sir.
joined as a
Not at all.
beginner in a community, so did you feel any kind of
No,
insecurities?
no, sir. There is no like not racism or something like you're a beginner. I'm a pro trader. It's nothing like that in the
Mhm.
community, sir. They all treat everyone as equal.
That's good, right? That's how we can
Yes,
grow,
sir.
right? So
Yes,
basically
sir.
all of us are traders. That's a
Yes, sir.
basic thing. That's what we connected, right? So all we are traders. Some may have got better experience, like 2 or 3 or more than that years, but we have a lot of beginners in our community
Yes, sir.
who just have the experience of 1 or 2 months. So, like
Yes, sir.
most of these students, most of these 3 month experienced students were trading very well as well. You know that, right? So you are
Yes,
also
sir.
from this
Absolutely.
July batch, and it's almost 3-4 months
Yes.
now. You just
Yes, sir.
making a consistent income from trading. It's only because of the support from our community.
Absolutely, sir.
Yeah,
100%.
that's why we are conducting this kind of programs in our community. Like
Yes,
we
sir.
have lots of sessions in our community, right? It's not a
Yes, sir.
one time
PMS.
learning. Yeah, it's not a one time learning.
Yes,
It
sir.
was a continuous process from the day of joining to Million Dots. You guys still learning even after the initial classes. You guys still learning.
Yes.
Actually, we conducting this from the Monday itself. So when a week start, we conduct these week planner sessions. So how
Yes,
does
sir.
that help you?
Sir, it helps like before I didn't know how to position sites and what should be the maximum target, weekly target and maximum loss. After you told that no, it should be like this, you should have a very easy target or a very reachable target and not very far and big. So that is how it helps, sir.
Yeah, so that's the major purpose of this week planner session itself, right? Like
Yes,
because if we start a week without having a plan, that week maybe we can't accomplish in everything in this particular week. Even if we have
yes,
some
sir.
targets for that week, we may define a
Yes,
target, but without having a proper plan, we will not be able to achieve that plan. So that was a major purpose of this week planner session, where we planning our upcoming week. Like actually we want to plan our week or like on Sunday itself, but we just conducting this particular session on Monday morning to get some kind of motivation to our students, to give
yes,
some
sir.
motivation. Like in that particular
Yeah,
session, even me also share my own plan for that particular week. So all of our team, like all of us, will have a plan for the upcoming week. So if with that plan we are able to complete all the tasks within that 6-7 days of a week. So that's why
yes, sir.
we compelling you guys to do something like that. Even we have, that we have students who have a clear cut plans, not only based on their trading.
Yes, sir.
Even they have some target, like 4 to 5% week target, or 3 to 2% of
Yeah, sir.
maximum loss, like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Even though a few students will say that I want to learn that thing, like I want to master in options, I want to improve my SMC things, like that. A lot of students will keep
Yes,
saying
sir.
that.
Yes, sir.
So that kind of things will
Yes,
keep
sir.
motivate us to conduct these kind of programs on a regular basis. Then you
Yes,
guys know
sir.
that regular post market sessions.
Yes, sir.
So that's
That
some.
really helps, sir.
Okay. So how did that help? Like most of the traders may not spend a lot of time to analyze that particular day. Even after the day,
Yes,
they
sir.
may try to do something for the next day. Most of the traders will not spend time for that, to analyze, to evaluate that particular day. But we
Yes,
are
sir.
spending almost 1 hour to evaluate our that particular day. So did that help you?
Yes, sir. Before even I used to not analyze the charts. Like if the market is going to open at 9:15, I used to sit around 9 and simply see some 5-4 charts and okay, I'll trade in this and trade there. After the PMS itself, I got to know okay, we should analyze a day before, and and the mentor asks us what is your tomorrow's chart or in which
Mhm.
are you going to trade, and they'll check it if it's correct and if it's good to trade tomorrow, and if it's wrong or something, they'll correct us.
Like we have
Yes, sir.
assignments after this post session.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
You guys keep updating lots of assignments. Like
Yes,
just
sir.
we will tell you that to update at least one or two, but most of the students will update 10 or even 20. Like regularly, they're
Yes, sir.
updating 20 charts after analysis. So that will help
Yes,
all
sir.
of these students. Even a student, even a fresh, unexperienced student entered into our community, that will help him or he or she to help to improve their trading by looking at the
Yes, sir.
analysis, by looking at the assignments, all those assignments. We have clear plotted charts, right? Just
Yes, sir.
looking at that chart itself, they will be able to get a clear idea about that particular
Yes,
strategy.
sir.
Like we all of our students focusing on only one or two setups, one or two strategies
Yes.
only, right? Then that was a major purpose. Like post market session, we'll keep discussing about the particular day, where we just
Yes.
break down that particular day's market movements and all. Then what do you think? What we can improve in our post market sessions and all? Do you have any suggestions
Nothing,
like?
sir. Everything is really good, sir. But
Mm-hmm.
they every day they keep asking, should we improve? What should we improve in? Nothing should be improved, sir. It's everything is perfect.
Okay, so because
Yes, sir.
we need to keep improving, right? In order to
Yes, sir.
become the best, we need to keep improve ourselves. We need to keep doing something. It's something day by day. So that's why I keep
Yes, sir.
asking from you guys. Like we just conducting this kind of sessions for yourself. So if you guys have any kind of suggestions about those sessions, that we can easily implement that things in our community.
Yes, sir.
Nothing like that, right? No suggestions.
No, sir, not at all. Nothing.
Okay, that's fine. Then what else? Like you know that we conducting this live trading sessions even on
Yes,
Wednesdays.
sir.
Did you attended those sessions?
Yes, sir. Almost every time I attend, sir.
Okay, so did you trading in options?
No, sir, I haven't started.
No, but
I
even
paper trade.
okay, no, not even started in
Yeah.
options. Anyhow, you are even spending time for this options live trading, right? On Wednesdays.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so what I know you learn from that live session because you not even started trading in options, but still you
Yes,
spending time for this options live trading. You just even watching the session. So what I know you learn from that sessions.
sir. In options, we get to know like what should we not do, when should we correctly choose the CE and call option and put option, and what strategy should we use on this kind of particular market day, if it's complete bullish or complete bearish. It is good, sir.
Okay, we like keep saying this to our students like even if you guys not attending or not trading in options, just attend these sessions because
Yes,
uh,
sir.
most of the students will say that I don't have capital that much capital to start trading in options. But even if you don't have capital, you want to learn this time. You don't want to waste this particular time. You're just wasting your time, right?
Exactly.
So if you are attending these sessions or if you started learning without wasting your time, you will be able to improve your skill in that trading option in option trading. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so even after 1 week or even after few years, if you get some capital, so you can easily implement that in trade. You don't need to
Yes, sir.
spend time at that time to learn. You guys already keep learning. Every week we are conducting this kind of live trading sessions in options. At the same
Yes,
time
sir.
we are conducting even in equity as well, right? On Wednesdays we have two like sessions which is on options and on equity.
Yeah. Yeah, sir.
So yeah, that's we want to actually this trading things. We need to spend time on implementations more than learning concepts. You need to learn
Yeah,
concepts
sir.
first because nobody know anything. So first for that, to get a knowledge, we want to learn things. We want to learn all these theoretical things, all those concepts. But in order to be a successful trader, we want to learn that from the market itself by doing the implementation things.
Yes, sir.
So that's why we keep discussing things or we keep conducting this kind of live trading sessions to get a clear implementation skill. That's what we need as a
Yes,
trader.
100%.
At the same time, how do you feel about our trainers? Like we have a lot of trainers in our community who is ready to help you at any time, even in the market time or off market time. So all of our
Yes, sir.
trainers will like as like a friends. We are just spending time with you as like friends, as like we keep sharing knowledge or keep uh, helping to improve yourself. So did you felt
Yes, sir.
any kind of or like any kind of difficulties from our trainer, or are you what do
No,
you
sir.
feel about our trainers?
Sir, trainers are all good, sir.
Mhm.
Like there's no one like the no, this trainer is not good. It's nothing like that, sir. Each and everyone is really best, sir.
Okay,
Everybody helps. If
okay.
that trainer is not available, some other comes up. If the he is not available, some, but it's never like no trainer is available right now.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, that's what we need actually. So the basic purpose, our major goal is to conduct to arrange an ecosystem for traders. So in that
Yes,
ecosystem, we need passionate traders, not a random guys who looking for a quick money. Okay, so that's why we just make strict rules, all those things to manage our community in the best manner.
yes, sir.
So at the same time, we are ready to provide any kind of support to our students. That's why we conducting all these kind of sessions. Even we have a lot of competitions in our community to keep
Yes,
improving
sir.
yourself. Like even we have 4 5 competitions monthly, right? So all these
Mm,
programs, the major purpose of this program is to improve our community, our students. So most of the students
yes, sir.
keep utilizing these kind of opportunity. Some may miss this space because they don't even understand the value which we create there. But
Yes,
some really passionate about trading, really come into our community, active, really active in our community. They actually
yes, sir.
utilizing the platform as it is, like attending all kind of sessions. Even even maybe they're maybe in schools or maybe in colleges or even maybe they're in work. Like we have one student even once he shared that he was working. Okay, he was abroad and he was working in one of his computer, and he just switched on his laptop side and in this one of side, and he was attending our post-market session. So he was recorded a video and he shared that with me. So when I saw that I was very happy, because even he was working abroad, even he was in an office, and even though he just tried to spend half an hour or 1 hour for our post-market session regularly. So that kind of students are really motivating us to do something or create more value each day.
Yes, sir.
So even you are also one of that kind of student. Like I saw that you
Yes,
took a
sir.
trade today, right? One of scalping one.
Yes, sir.
So how did you trade that? What was your
Yes, sir.
analysis on that?
Cipla.
You took a trade in Cipla.
Yes, sir.
So can you share your analysis on that?
Sir, it was all institutional price action, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Just a
I
random
had
analysis.
no, sir, not random. I had actually plotted it like 2 days back. I was
Okay.
waiting for it to mitigate, and
Mm-hmm.
finally today it mitigated. I saw momentum shift, and I
Mm-hmm.
took a really good 1 minute scalping.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
how much profit you booked from your capital? How much
Zero
percentage of
point three
capital?
percent, sir.
Zero point 3
0.3%.
percentage of stocks movement, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's really good. So it's kind of a quick scalping. I saw that setup which you shared in community. So that's why I told ask you. So that was a fine setup. So 0.3% of stock movement will be a good percentage from your capital itself. So how
Yes,
did
sir.
you manage your studies with this trading?
Sir, now actually because of this COVID all thing, it's online itself.
Okay.
So I attend my classes also, and at the same time I trade also, sir.
Okay. So not yet started your offline classes?
No, sir, not yet, sir.
Not yet, right? Okay. So here in
Yeah,
Kerala it started already. Started.
yeah. Even in Bangalore it started, but here it haven't started.
Okay.
Yeah,
So if it started, how can you manage your trading with these offline classes,
sir, have decided I'll do swing trades, sir.
swing trades? So at the same
Yeah,
time, yeah, that will be better. The same time, you can even focus on options as well. We know that
yes, sir.
kind of we can like expiry based strategies will help you to book a better percentage weekly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can focus on that. The same time, you want to focus on your studies as well. Okay, never miss your
Yes, sir.
studies. Just classes, always attend to classes, and always just allocate time for trading as well. Spend 1 hour or two
Yes, sir.
hours per day. Like that, you can allocate time for trading. The same time, focusing on studies as well. Okay, never miss your studies and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so yeah, that was a wonderful session with you. Hope you
Yes, sir.
enjoyed
Same
it.
here.
That actually I was enjoyed your
Yeah,
to meet you, to spend a little time with you.
same
Okay,
here, sir.
yeah, be active in community, be connected.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, bye. Happy trading.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.